Ideally sited on the most desirable location in Mercia, this Northwest Contemporary home offers sweeping 180-degree views, all the way from the Olympic Mountains in downtown Seattle to the south end of Lake Washington and Mount Rainier. A fabulous bird's-eye view of the Northwest's treasured landscape. This shy half-acre of magnificent gardens and grounds offers outdoor living spaces at every turn. The perfect setting for casual backyard barbecues to more formal events with friends. This home is a blank canvas to renovate and add your own design signature. Or build new, with vast open spaces drawing in the magnificent views. This fabulous location is just minutes to Medina Elementary and parks. Enjoy being close to it all with easy access to freeways. Walk to morning lattes at Tully's, the beach at Maidenbower, and more. The vibrant lifestyle of downtown Bellevue is only minutes away. Truly a rare opportunity.